Hello friends, welcome to Easy Gourmet. So today's recipe is katla dopiyaza from my kitchen. Let's see what do we require. We require katla fish 4 pieces, chopped onion 2 large size, garlic chopped 8 to 10 cloves, chopped tomato 2 medium sized, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, green chilies 6 to 8 pieces, salt according to taste, turmeric powder 2 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander chopped 5 to 6 strands, 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. See how we will prepare. First, take the fish on a pan and then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this salt and turmeric powder well with the fishes and keep it aside for approximately 15 minutes. Now take another pan and put 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in it. As the mustard oil becomes warm, we have to wait for some time till it becomes warm. As it becomes warm, add the chopped onions. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the chopped garlic. Again saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and cook covered for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the cover, and as you see the oil has begun to come out, you just mix it and add the chopped tomatoes. After adding the chopped tomatoes, you add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well, and then again add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix the red chili powder well enough with all the spices and cook covered for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, as the tomatoes have become tender, add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and also add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix well for 2 minutes. As the raw aroma of the turmeric powder goes off, add the fishes slowly in the spices. Then cook covered for 2 minutes. Then turn on the fishes and again cook it covered for 2 minutes. After that, take off the lid and add 1 cup of lukewarm water in it. And add the green chilies, slitted green chilies, and cover and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, as the water has started to boil, turn the fishes so that the other side also gets mixed up or also boils good enough, and covered and cook for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, as almost it is done, check whether the fishes are tender, add the chopped coriander and garnish it with green chilies, and it is ready to serve with plain rice. So if you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel with your friends and family, and put your valuable comments in the comment box.